Honestly, I don't think I have done a tech video in about 2 months ago. Wow. Has it been that long? Wow. Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again with another tech video. Now I did purchase something and I had to get something because I got tired of plugging in the little wire for my phone and charging it and stuff, and I wanted to get like a wireless charger. Now I did do a video a while back on a wireless charger, but I don't have that. I actually gave it to my son, but I did buy a wireless charger for $13.99. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put down the link below where you guys can purchase it. I do have it right here. So we're gonna do like a little unboxing and check this out. My dog is staring at me. I know I haven't done a tech video in a while, and I've been streaming and gaming and stuff, and I'm really loving it. Now, before we get into this, I know a lot of people are like, why you wear glasses, why you wear shades? It's just for the stream, it's just for fun. So we don't do it during the tech videos. You guys can see the beautiful blue eyes. So yeah, we're gonna get this and check it out. So I did buy this wireless charger, certified 7.5 watts. So we're gonna check it out. See, we're gonna see what it's all about, because I saw this and it's actually an Amazon choice. So I want to see if it works and everything. So here's the box right here. Now it's called Yootech. Yootech. So they do have comes in this nice little box and stuff. So it's just a basic simple charger for the cell phone. So I don't know anything about it. I do have the specs over here, so we'll look at it and then see if it works, see if it's worth it. See if it's worth the actual $13. Honestly, that's pretty cheap for a wireless charger. It does light up on the bottom. So what I'll be doing is I'll be doing a video shot down like I did with my last video. I think it worked better because you guys get to see. So yeah, let's just open this up. Open up with my new knife I brought. And I do have a tech review coming for my Rode mic arm. I'm going to be doing updates on all my stuff because a lot of people are asking things about how's my equipment holding up, how's everything working. So I'll be doing update on my headset, mic, stuff like that, etc. So yeah. So let's check this out and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so this is the actual, let's put the microphone right here. So this is actual, this up higher. So this is what it looks like, the box. Just a plain simple box by Yootech. I don't know if it's Yootech or I mean, it's a weird name. You know, when you buy those off-brand stuff. Don't mind the keyboard, it's kind of changing RGBs. So we open it up. You guys want to know what this keyboard is? It's the Razer Elite keyboard. I did do a video on that, so if you want to check it out, it's in the tech video playlist. So let's see. So we get a basically wireless charger with a nice little wire. Wow, this wire is really short, guys. Oops. This wire is really short. You know, honestly, if you don't need this wire and it's too short, you could just use a regular one. It is micro USB. I don't have autofocus on. So, I mean, you could use a different wire. You don't have to use that wire. Comes with this little stupid shit. We don't need that. We don't need that. Instructions, basically how to use it. You know, we don't need that either. We just want to get to the product and see if it works. So let's check this out. Now I wanted to get one of these because honestly I don't have a wireless charger, and when I plug in my phone, you know, it's kind of annoying. This is just plain and simple, and like, ooh, this is actually really nice. If you guys can kind of see it. If I had like a white, one sec. Put it on the white mouse pad so you guys can kind of see it and it pops out more. So this is actually really nice. It's got some nice rubber texture right there. This is where the LED lights up. So that's pretty nice and compact, honestly. I do have a case. I do have the case, so we'll see if the case works on without it. So let's find out. Clean the phone. So this is compatible with the S10, S10 Plus, and it says it does not come with no AC adapter, and it does come in black, blue, green, and red. So this lights up. This is a different color. So I got the black, and this could be blue and stuff. So 7.5 watts. 10 watts and 5 watts wireless charger models. It just depends, I guess. Important notice, if indicator keeps blinking, please check phone's back cases. Oh, so if it's blinking, that means it's not charging. So let's try it out. Let's try it out. I'm going to plug it and check this out. Just plug it in there. Oh, yeah, that's nice. So I did turn on. So let's see if this works. Yep, it works. So basically it'll light up green, and I think it indicates to tell you that it's charging. Okay, so basically no annoying lights. So the LED will indicate the light is flashing for 16 seconds and then it's off, and then it doesn't do it anymore. But it is charging right now, so that's cool. It is case friendly, so it does work with my Tech 21 case. So the 3 charge modes is 5 watts standard charge mode, compatible with any QI enabled devices. 7.5 watts charge mode with compatible with iPhone 8, 8 Plus, X. So pretty much all the iPhones. I do have the LG G6. No, I have the LG G7 ThinQ, so it does work. It says it doesn't work for this phone, but I'm thinking it pretty much works for any phone. So it is charging. So it's, you know, and honestly, they do have different models. They have ones that stand up. So it's actually a pretty popular charger. I kind of like it not the LED to be green, because then when you're sleeping, it's not bothering you. So it is ultra slim. I love that part because it's really nice and thin. You can just put it on your phone. This is really nice, honestly. I'm gonna put this in my my room. It says super friendly, and I guess that's what it means. So the light's not annoying and green, and it turns off after a while. So you turn it on, turns green, it charged, and then after a few seconds, the light will go away. So that's pretty cool. They do have different other phone chargers for this. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll put down the link below for this one. And then they have other ones that will add on to that. So the basically the item weight is 2.08 ounces. The product dimensions is 3.7 by 3.7 by 0.5 inches. So if you guys want to know that stuff, I mean, honestly, you don't really need to know the specs and stuff, but pretty much that's basically it. Just plug it in, pop it in. So actually, that's about it. I mean, pretty much just plug and play, and not plug and play. Pretty much just plug it in and charge your phone, and that's basically simple. I like that. I did buy this for like I said, I bought this for my nightstand. So I mean, you could pretty much put it anywhere. The cable is kind of short, but you could pretty much use any other cable you want. You don't have to use specifically this cable. But it should be long enough to sit to the nightstand. It just takes a regular micro little USB. If you could kind of, my camera doesn't have autofocus on, so it's just a little micro. But that's about it. This is a little short unboxing video. I will be doing more tech videos. I know I haven't done them in a couple months, and people keep asking me and stuff, when you're gonna bring back your tech videos and stuff. And I will. I just been streaming and stuff, and I really like streaming and playing some Fortnite, Team Rumble. You know, it's just fun. So I will be doing an update review on the Rode mic boom arm. I won't say anything right now because I don't want to give anything away, but I will be doing a video on it, the Blue Yeti and stuff. People ask me all the time about the shock mount. If you guys want to check out any of my tech videos or any of my stuff, go to my tech playlist, unboxing reviews, and you guys can see that all. I'll put down the link below where you guys can check it out, or at the end of this video. So yeah, so that will be coming. I'm gonna be purchasing a new mouse, and I'm gonna be doing a review on it. It's so actually I just saw something. You could buy 2 of these for 20 bucks if you guys want to get them, or you could buy one for $13.99. But I just saw that, and I should have bought 2 for 20, because you can get 2 for the price of 1. Or you could just buy 1. Where is it at? There it is. Yeah, so you could do that. So I'll put that link down below for that. I should have bought 2 for 20, but I just noticed that right now. So it does look like a little disc, like a little UFO flying disc. So it's pretty compact and simple. So that's what it looks like. You saw what it looks like when you plug it in. The light's green. Now, if the phone's fully charged, I'm not sure what it does, if it turns red or just doesn't, or if it shuts off by itself. I will find out about that. It says temperature control technology, so it's got so it doesn't get like really hot or something. So that's good. That's good to know. It does not come with an adapter, so it does say on here no AC adapter. So just letting you guys know, if you guys don't have one, expect not to get one with this. It just comes with the, you know, as you've seen in the package. So all right, guys, that's about it. I'm gonna do a little short tech video on this. Thanks, guys. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. We're about to hit 4,000 subscribers. When I get to 4K, I might be doing a specific video, and I'm gonna be giving away the Coolmaster CM310 gaming mouse. I'm not gonna be using this gaming mouse, honestly, and I'm just gonna give it to one of my subscribers when I hit 4K. Not exactly 4K. When I get over 4K, I will do a giveaway. It'll be simple, so just wait for that. That will be coming, and then when we hit 5K, I will do another giveaway. So yeah, thanks guys for watching Josh Tech Gamer, and I'll check you guys later.